If you're searching for a stunning 5G smartphone on a mid-range budget that can rival the iPhone, your wait might soon be over. Why? Because Nokia is about to drop an absolute powerhouse of a phone, packed with a 250-megapixel DSLR level camera, the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite processor, and all of this at an unbelievable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Play 5 Max 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast, stick around till the end, because in this video, we're breaking down its leaked specs, price, and launch date. So let's dive in. Features of Nokia Play 5 Max 5G. Display. This Nokia beast flaunts a massive 6.79-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a super responsive 390Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass armor for ultimate protection. Camera setup. When it comes to camera quality, this phone is ready to take on the iPhone. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, featuring a mind-blowing 250-megapixel primary sensor, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, a 64-megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your Instagram pop. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite processor, meaning next-level gaming, multitasking, and speed. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS, smooth, fast, and future-proof. Battery. Say goodbye to battery worries. The Nokia Play 5 Max 5G packs a massive 7500 mAh battery, with 120-watt super-fast charging, and a USB Type-C Gen 2 port, so you spend less time plugged in and more time dominating. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Expected price is around $790, which is a steal for these specs. As for the launch date, no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned, because we'll update you the moment we know.